Hello everyone. I am here to share another TN style junk journal I made from a magazine cover and also the inside of the magazine. This one is let me see what size. This one's a little different size. Let's see. 8.5 by 4.5. So I guess it is TN style or size. It is a one chunky signature. And on the cover, I did some sewing because I sewed a pocket on the inside and just added this little flower with a little lace closure on it. And then put this for strengthening the spine, and added the little book cover corners again. And on the inside, we have the pockets right here. And I just stapled these two little pieces of ephemera on there so they can be taken off and added throughout the book. And just a little Tim Holtz sentiment right there, be in love with your life. And I added this paint swatch thing that I cut some off of because I used them as tabs throughout the book. And a Tsunami Rose ladies printable. Stuff that in there. And then this is a very old 1964, actually, a year younger than myself. Little letter or little card, and it's so, I just love this really old vintage ephemera. I just love it. And this came from Jennifer as well. I just think that's so cute. And this is an old vintage piece of ephemera here, and I just stapled on this little tab. Another piece of paper. Used a lot of vintage paper that she sent to me again in this one. Did some sewing and a library card and I can't remember whose flower that is. I sewed on a fabric little pocket here and added this time card, and I just stapled this little ticket on there so it can be removed and used elsewhere. I tried to make it to where you can, use the stuff elsewhere in the book. And this is Artie Mae's, and these are two more pieces of ephemera she sent to me. A wine label, and then from the Kitchen of, this is a sticker, but I didn't unpeel it off of there. I just left it on there. And stuck that in there. Paula, get in frame, woman. I did a little book pocket here with some old stamps, some washi tape, and some trim sewed around it. And the back has a little pocket here as well with a photo inside. And that just flips out, flips back. This is a page out of the magazine. And I just used one of those little tiny cards and sewed it as a tab on here. I love these photos. Some stenciling. I can't remember what book that is out of. It's a book my mom gave me. Let me see if I have it right here. It's a really fat book. I was helping her clean out her closet, and it's a this book right here. And I think it's so awesome. It has, the movies and reviews on them and stuff, and it's really cool. The fatty. And this is some egg kind of like paper, some old vintage paper there. And this is just a little glassine envelope pocket that she sent me, and I just stuck in some extra Tsunami Rose tickets that I had laying here. Stuck those in there. I love this photo, so pretty. These are some peel and stick vellum stickers that I got from Wish. Another old vintage 1935 letter, and the letter is actually in there. And some washi tape. I love the greens in this. I don't know, I just love it. Green and yellow. This is another little vintage piece here. and a Tsunami Rose Lady printable. And here is one of the cut off ink or paint swatch things that I just used that as a tab and sewed it on. And in here we have this piece of ephemera. This is graphic 45. And then this doily piece here. And then this is just a little booklet that I had laying in my stash, so I stuck that in here as well. And these go in here, like so. Some more old school paper, another piece of the booklet, and some vintage trim here. And up here we just have a some little tablet of papers, different papers right here. I just sewed that on. Another one of those stickers and a printable. Can't remember whose that is. I love this page right here. It's so pretty. This makes you want to look at. I love these magazines. They're so pretty. Gives you a lot of good ideas. And in here is just a little, I think this is Dreams Etc. And I sewed it onto some cardstock and it was in my stash. So I put that in here and some of these cute little paper clips that have little things on, little notes things on them. Whoopsie. Come on, get on there. There's two of those. Over here are some more that I just had up here in my little stash right up there. And so I just loaded it up in here. These are Tsunami Rose right here. I think it, oh no, I cut it apart. Never mind. I just stuck it in this little bag, but that one's Tsunami Rose and that's Artie Mae's, and I don't remember these two. I think it's My Porch Prince, but I'm not sure. Some more washi tape. And over here in this one is just a little pocket tag made from music paper that I did. And I have these two pieces in there. Little snippet pocket here. And yeah, little tab. I think this is Dreams Etc. tab. And some extra paper that I had to decorate the book with. Whoever gets this book. And actually this book's already sold. I forgot. It's already sold. And right here we have Tsunami Rose and I'm not sure. Because I have these little baskets right up here and they are just full of leftover pieces. So I'm just trying to use up some of those. And this is Tim Holtz, one of his cards right here. And I know this one is Artie Mae's. And I just stapled those on there. I mean, paper clipped them on. Stapled this little price tag as a tab. And another one of the stickers that flips out. And these are just stapled on. This is just a little tab and it's, I mean, paper clipped on. Little T card. That way they can be used throughout the book. And then another one of these little paper clips. And then here is, I don't remember whose this is, but I know this is Tsunami Rose. And another one of the vellum stickers. Another paint tab. I like that. I think that looks cool. The other part of the apple page. And here was one of those flowers that I made up. And inside is just a little envelope piece right there. And I think this is graphic 45, I think. I'm not quite sure. It's been up here a while. And a very old vintage photo. I think those little kids are so cute. And that is that page. I love that. I love these chairs right here. They're so cool. And here's some Tim Holtz people that can be cut apart and used throughout the book. Oh, that page. More of that eggshell paper. I love that stuff. And over here is another fabric pocket. And this is some cut off ends from the coffee dyed paper, and I just put this little Artie Mays tag on the front of that. And here is an old vintage postcard. I don't see a date. Illinois, 1932, I think that says. I don't have my glasses on, but I think that is pretty cool. The other amazing coffee table picture there. And this can be used as a tuck spot here. Another pocket. Another one of these cute little paper clips. And a Franken tag that I made. I thought it was double, but it's not. It's just pretty thick. And these two. I super love those. And this is just Tim Holtz, and it's just stapled on. Put that there. Some of his little film that I just use as a tab. Some more washi. These are just clipped on pieces that can be used throughout the book. Oops, this flips out. And then back here is a pocket. This also opens up, and you can use it as an envelope, but I just left it open and put this piece of ephemera in there. And then we have this one that's sewn on. And that is the latest little cute magazine junk journal that I love. I love doing these. They're super fun. They're easy. They have pretty pages in them. And I really, really like them. And yeah, this one will be going out in the mail today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.